Yo, so tell me why the actual fuck I wake up this morning and I see this fucking shit on my screen. Like, what is this? So I basically already like made a video about this, but I'm making a part 2 because I didn't talk about mobile players and I didn't like get deep into the topic. So again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I made a video about how to chat on Roblox if your region doesn't support it, or if it does support it, but you need to do either facial recognition or hand out your ID to Roblox. And like I said previously in that video, you cannot use this on your main account. Like, it's not because it's gonna get you banned or anything, it just does not work. You need to make a whole new different account, making it your alt account just for the meantime until things go back to normal. Now for my Middle Eastern friends, they say that they're just getting some Arabic translators in order to like make the chat usable for them. That's why it's like banned in 18 countries, which are literally all in the Middle East, because obviously all of them speak Arabic, and some countries allow you to use chat using facial recognition, but they'll only let you chat with people at your age. This guy is definitely the murderer. They will let you only chat with people at your age. These countries are like the Netherlands and Australia, but we're not gonna talk about those for now. We're just gonna give you this simple tutorial on how to chat like anywhere in the world. Does not matter where you're from. Okay, so we'll start with mobile, and if you want to go to the PC tutorial, I have timestamps in this video, so you can go and skip to the PC part if you're on PC, but we will start with mobile right now. Okay, so for mobile, you obviously need a VPN, so let's go to the Play Store and search for Rotom VPN. I already have it installed, so I'll press on open. Now this is the most important part of the whole process. So firstly, you need to press on connect, and once it connects you to a place, you need to make sure that this place does not have Roblox banned, or does not have like Roblox chat banned in it. These countries are some examples of countries that have Roblox either banned or their chat banned. You have like Egypt, Oman, Yemen, the UAE, Turkey, Russia. You have a bunch of countries. So it connected to Netherlands automatically, and they have some chat restrictions, so I don't want that. So you need to click on change server, and it took me to Japan, and I think Japan also has some chat restrictions, so I'll wait until the cooldown is finished so I can change into another server. Okay, so now I can change servers again, and I'm in Romania. I guess Romania doesn't have any chat restrictions. It does not have the best internet speeds either, but I'm not waiting for another cooldown. By the way, you need to stick with the country that you just chose through the VPN forever. So for example, if you're gonna be playing on your alt account and using chat and stuff, each time you want to log in, you need to have the VPN connected to the exact location that you've been connected with previously. I'll show you what this means later in this video. As you can see, this key icon on the top right corner shows you that you've been successfully connected to the VPN. So now you gotta go and find your Roblox, and then long press on it, and then find something like this. It might be called app info on your end, and now if you scroll down, you'll find something like storage and then clear data. By the way, before pressing clear data, this will automatically log you out of your account. So if you forgot your account's password, make sure to write it down to save it for later. Now I don't care because I already know my account, so I'll clear data and then delete. Now let's open Roblox, and now let's start creating our alt account. By the way, something like this shows up. It's just saying this so you can use voice chat. If you want to use voice chat, I'll show you how to do that later, but let me just confirm for now that we've been connected to Romania. So if you go to settings and then account info and then scroll down, you'll see that the account location is Romania. By the way, if you see like games like this one taking a lot to load, it just means that you connected into a bad server, and I definitely did, because like Romania, it has bad internet speed for me personally. So it's no matter, you can go and do the process again and create an account from a different server. And now as you can see, we finally have chat on Roblox. But now if you want to enable voice chat, I don't know if adding your phone number works, but I tried using facial recognition, which is this. You can find it in settings and then account info, and then here it is, continue with selfie. If you don't want to show your face, you can either get a free model online for free, or you can just use a YouTube video, like using another screen and showing like a man or a woman like moving their face left and right. You know what I'm saying? But I'll just do it using my face real quick so I don't waste any time. Okay, so I finished the facial recognition test, and I'm trying to join mic up, and it tells me this. So I'll just have to click on this box until it shows a check mark, and then click on enable chat with voice. As you can see, voice chat is working. Rupert Gaming Boy. Oh shoot, I remember doing a video about that guy. Well, as you can see, it's working properly, but I'm not really logged in because my Wi-Fi kinda sucks with the combination of this VPN. And I have the voice chat option right here. I can like unmute myself and then mute myself whenever I want to. And so now let's say you finished your gaming session and you just like quit Roblox and you disconnected your VPN, of course. Whenever you want to come and play again, you need to connect your VPN and make sure it's from that exact country. So we were connected to Romania and it got me to the Netherlands, so I need to change server, and now it's going to get me to Japan. So I'm gonna wait again because I wanted to be in Romania. Now we can finally change the server and it took me to Switzerland. It looks like this is gonna take a while. Now let's change server again and we are back to Romania. So we can now finally open our Roblox app, play like we usually play, and yeah, that's about it. By the way, if you try to connect your VPN using your main Roblox account, I think it might get you banned, but at the same time you don't need to do that because it does not do anything. Literally, your location is literally locked in where it's been originally registered. So now let's talk about PC. So as I said, you need to make a new account. Let's go to this more tab and then log out of our account. Now let's close this up real quick. Now you need a VPN, obviously. So you have like multiple choices for VPNs. I mean, you can use any VPN, but I'm just gonna show you the free ones because obviously we're not gonna pay for chat. Who does that? You have Siphon, Proton, Bravado, and Hotspot Shield VPN. One of my two best VPNs are Proton and Siphon. So for Proton VPN, you'll have to search free Proton VPN on Google. Then you'll have to press this get Proton for free. Then continue with free. Then you'll have to put in an email address. Once you've put your email, you can start using Proton VPN by clicking this, and then it will make you a password, but I'll just make my own password. So click on choose my password, my own password. Now once you entered your password twice, you can now click on set new password. In order to not lose your password, you can click on save over here. Now once done, you'll have to click on download. Most people use x64, so let's click on x64. Now you can click on it right here, and then you'll need to click on download unverified file and wait until it's done downloading. Now once done, it should look something like this. Now you can finally use it by pressing on it. Now it will show you this where it tells you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, which obviously we want to, so we should click on yes. Select your language. I'm gonna use English, so yeah, here it will make you select other Proton apps that like other services they have to install, but we obviously don't want those, so we can just deselect all of these and then click on install. Now you might not see Proton open at first, so you can press on this which shows hidden icons, and then you can see Proton over here. So let's just left click on it and then press on open Proton VPN. Alright, now listen close, okay? This is one of the most important steps of the whole tutorial. So now we need to choose a country that we'll be sticking with till the end of each of our gaming sessions. So basically, by making our account using this, server, we need to choose a server that we will be sticking with each time we open the VPN, so we can play on that exact server. You know what I'm saying? So basically, if your VPN automatically chose a server that has Roblox banned or has chat banned in their country, you need to change that real quick. So basically, if my VPN connected automatically to like Egypt or like Yemen or like Oman or like United UAE, these are all Middle Eastern countries, right? And we all know that chat is banned in the Middle East, so these are not gonna work. Like China, Russia, Vietnam, even Turkey. So like all of these countries have either have chat banned or the whole entire platform banned. So right now my VPN is connected automatically to Switzerland, and I'm getting pretty decent. I wouldn't call these speeds decent, but they're more decent than any other speeds. And Switzerland doesn't have any like Roblox chat restrictions or anything, so we will stick with Switzerland for now. But let's say you open the VPN like the next morning and you want to play some Roblox on your old account and it doesn't say Switzerland, for example. You have this button right here which basically changes the server, it changes it to another one, and it has a cooldown. Yeah, it has a pretty long cooldown, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So you'll just have to wait until the cooldown ends and just start changing until it gets you to your, you know, the country you want to be in. So it just connected me to Norway right now, and I don't want to wait for the cooldown, so let's take Norway. It does not matter because Norway does not have any restrictions. So what we need to do right now is to log out of our Roblox account from the Roblox website, of course. Now, once it shows you this, you need to open a new tab and close the previous one. Now open Roblox again to ensure that you opened a freshly new tab. Now start making your alt account. Okay, now make sure to like save your account if you want to use it for later. Right now I just clicked on sign up, and it's giving me the hardest part of the whole process, which is verification. Like, dude, look at this. What am I looking at? By the way, make sure to do this quickly before like it fails or something. Sometimes I would just waste my time and like take a long time to do this, but you need to do it quickly before like it gives you some sort of error or something. You successfully made the Roblox account, but you need to make sure that it worked. So to make sure that it worked, you need to go to your settings and scroll down to account location. And as you can see, I'm in Norway, but I'm not from Norway, so this proves that it worked. And now you might get this error a lot, which is error code 403. So whenever you try to join a game from the website, it might tell you error code 403 or whatever. If you get that error, you need to open your Roblox player, then go to more, log out of your account, log out anyway, and then sign in from here. Once done, you can finally close the Roblox player if you like to use the website version instead. I like to do that, so I'm gonna use the website. And as you can see, I can finally chat, and I also can see other people's chat as well. And if you want to enable voice chat, you just need to go to more, then to settings, account info, and then you can either do the facial age recognition, or I think it works with your phone number. I'm not really sure, but last time I checked, I could do the facial recognition test, and it works perfectly fine. If you don't want to use your face, you can either use like a free 3D model online, or you can use a YouTube video of someone like moving their heads from left to right. But to make this easier, I'm just gonna complete the facial recognition test so I don't waste any time. I just finished the facial recognition test, and as you can see, I should get voice chat. I can enable it right here. Getting degloved, bro. This is insane. As you can see, I have voice chat right here. I can go ahead and unmute myself or mute myself. I can hear others. Listen to this guy. Ouch, my fucking ears, bro. And well, yeah, that's about it. If you have any more questions, please don't be shy and ask in the comments, because I don't want to see any people missing out on voice chat or chat in general, because, you know, Roblox is so stupid and dumb for removing them. And yeah, that's about it. Watch me get this epic kill. Oh yeah, I just killed her. Okay.